So I'm in the middle of doing a Harvard base station, which is the next video, and want to do the on-the-air test for the walkie-talkie. So I've got it plugged into the workshop roof aerial as usual, and we've got the crocodile clips on the battery because I haven't got a 2.5mm plug handy. So we've got to be very, very careful not to waggle it about too much and make it go off. Now, when I did the service video, I went one down for a Roger and actually got one. So very carefully we'll try and lift this up somewhere near me. And Mr. Chippie, are you out there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, testing the H410.
Roger that. Right, we're just coming up towards the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. I'll keep the display on, but if you are aware these are switchable. Right now it's drawing 60 milliamps, and without the display it draws 50 milliamps.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. And when I was doing the repair video on this earlier, I did 1.9 for a Roger, and I got a Roger from a lady breaker at Holdingham Roundabout. You know, every time, last time I got a Roger, it was on another walkie-talkie.
Roger.
This has a call tone, by the way, which is this.
Yeah, okay.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, and these radios do 2 watts over.
Right, well, it's doing okay for that.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, also known as Greyleys Level Crossing. That concludes the test, and that works fine, thank you. Okay, we'll go through with our base station. Wow. These have a real S meter and a real relative RF power meter. So although the realistic is the bee's knees of handhelds, the 1001, the 1005, now them have a signal meter. So although these are a bit on the fragile side always, and not always the best radio, they do have some very useful features. So I'll go over to the base station and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tiger 21 testing the customer's Harvard H410T hand portable, 2 watts, 40 channels from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station.